Alright, I want you to I'm document right now the state stalking. This is license 8ZCH212. They're going to federal prison. The fake sun remains over me as I get on the 50, I believe this is the 57. This is the state stalking by getting in front of you. This is what they were doing when I left Alvarado and went to Monrovia, and they engage in criminal summoning by remaining in front of me. I want you to see the fake sun while the state stalks. This is the state actor crossing Covina Boulevard, and the fake sun is over me, not over Alvarado Gardens, where LAPD were stalking day and night in helicopters. This is the P.O.C. license plate. They're going to federal prison 86106P1 and license 10934Y1. This is how the entity that's molesting, and then the entity is just adding to the scene, the state acting directly while they're engaging in sexual violence together, and a fake sun is over my 6XDN211 federal prison. License plate 7EID306. And I want to be clear, this is equally cowardly conduct. The demons that listen to me call them cowards because they are. They come and all they do is get everybody else is going to federal prison because that police department is going to be prosecuted. There's nothing heroic about that. They're going to federal prison. 1488283. That's the demon-possessed fire department. You already know that. This is the fake sun that's over me. And this is failing to prove a point when you're stalking and when you serve Satan. This is what the entity does. So failing to prove a point, and also it ain't helping none of them. They're all going to federal prison. This everything that the entity wants to do and thinks that you're not communicating that. You fail. You lost miserably, and you are stalking an American citizen who is prosecuting you. While you're stalking, you're not winning at all. BXC9286 federal prison. License plate. They're all going to federal prison. This is surveillance on the freeway. This is terrorism and harassment as an entity on the freeway. 8HAY143. These are demons that are affiliated with the fire department, Pomona Police Department, I want to be clear, the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department, and the Los Angeles Fire Department. They're group stalking with the people, and they're going to federal prison. Okay, so license 5ZA, the one that was going to federal prison already, and they are 5ZFA182. And they're definitely going, and they're group stalking now with the state. And if he's not a natural born citizen, he's going to be deported. That's a Latino male wearing a red shirt. They're going to federal prison, group stalking with the state. All they did was get on the freeway. The fake sun is over me. Everything that the entity is doing is based on me. These are demons who are obsessed while they are affiliated with police departments. LAPD has already shown that beyond a reasonable doubt. No one is doubting what the state just did on video, showing the cowards and the sex offenders, the psychopaths that they are. Those are the mentally ill that are on the LA Fire Department. Those are the mentally ill that are on the Pomona Police Department, the Los Angeles Police Department. Group stalking on video so the world already knows. LAPD already showed the world what the state of California is doing. This is not traffic while the fake sun is over you. This is the P.O.C. And all those license plates are going to federal prison. That's the P.O.C. This is it's very unfortunate, but this is public corruption that needs to be known. And while the entity acts with the state in that manner, this is how the government is engaging in the P.O.C. This is how you have a fake sun that remains over an apartment complex all day and ongoing stalking by helicopter. That mental illness is what was riding on a motorcycle, stalking on a freeway, showing demon possession, showing the malicious, that is the demonic methods of stalking someone and psychologically torturing them while you're engaging and targeting them with the population. While that which is not the sun remains directly over the top of my car. Okay, that was a fire department stalking, and that was a police department stalking. And let me be clear. This is a mental illness. Why would anyone in their right mind engage in that conduct to the demise of every third party? And they deserve it, obviously. But the result is you're going to federal prison. So who in their right mind would engage in that? The demon possessed. Those that deserve to be disbanded, those that will be removed from the profession. The fire chief, LA Fire, that fire chief, he's going to be removed. This is occurring on their watch because they're demon-possessed, Satan-serving psychopaths. They're criminals. This is public corruption. This is why you're being molested on the freeway. This is why you're being stalked on the freeway by psychopaths, mentally ill. The fake sun's no longer over that demon on the motorcycle and the demon in the fire truck in the California exempt plate. It's over me while I go to the 10 freeway. That's how you know that they're stalking and they're demon-possessed and they're engaged in Title 18. And that's not just that demon on that motorcycle. It's the whole department. And again, the entity, Monrovia Police, the Los Angeles Police Department, the Arcadia Fire Department, the Monrovia Fire Department, Falk Ambulance. You've seen demon possession. That's exactly what they just provided for the world to see again on video. And the people of the state that I documented by license plate, they're going to federal prison. And that's what the entity does. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes like time in federal prison. It is currently 1:47 p.m. This is P.O.C.